Lesson 12. Invitations. Basic patterns. Let's get out of here. Do you want to come? Thanks for the invitation. I was going to invite you in for some coffee. I'd like to invite you to a match. Do you want to get some lunch? Why don't you come over later? Are you free tonight? What are you doing later? Let's meet later. Come see me sometime. Give me a call the next time you're in town. I'd like to see you again. Would you like to get dinner sometime? When can I see you again? Dialogue 1.
Hey, Erica, what are you doing?
I just got out of class, and I was on my way to the library.
What are you doing tomorrow night?
I don't know. I haven't made any plans yet. Why?
There's a party at Matt's apartment.
I don't even really know him very well.
It doesn't matter. Even if it did, you can come since you're my friend.
Okay, I think I will. Tomorrow night?
Yeah, tomorrow night. Come by my dorm room about 8.
Sounds good. I'll see you then. Dialogue 2.
I'm tired of studying.
Me too. Let's get out of here.
By the way, Steve and I are going hiking this weekend. Do you want to come?
When? Where are you going?
Saturday, we're going up to Marion State Park.
It's going to be cold.
Don't be so sensitive. Do you want to go or not?
Sure. Do I need to bring anything special?
Just warm clothes and some good boots.
No problem there.
Good, I'll give you a call tomorrow with specific details.
Thanks for the invitation. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Dialogue 3.
Are you busy?
Not really. I'm just looking over these account figures.
Did you get this dinner invitation from the company?
Yeah, I guess you did too.
It looks like everyone in this office is going out to the new seafood restaurant.
Are you going?
I don't know. It's a Friday night.
That's true. I don't know if I want to spend a Friday night with my coworkers.
It'll look bad if we don't go.
Maybe we should just go and only stay for a short while.
Who knows how long that could be? Let's just tell the boss that we've already made plans.
Are you sure you want to turn down a company invitation?
Do you want to spend your Friday night with these people?
Good point. Dialogue 4.
I had a good time tonight.
Me too. Dinner was better than I expected.
Yeah, that was a nice restaurant.
Do you want to go out again sometime?
Yes, that would be nice. I'd like that.
I would too.
Look, it's not that late. Do you have to get up early?
No, not really. Why?
Well, I was going to invite you in for some coffee.
Coffee? That sounds nice.
Good. Come in. I'll make us a pot of coffee.
Thank you. That would be nice. Dialogue 5.
Hey, Oliver. I heard that you were a pretty good ping pong player.
I'm okay. Why do you ask?
I wanted someone to play against, someone who would be kind of a challenge.
Then I think you've come to the right place.
Glad to hear it. I'd like to invite you to a match. Are you free Saturday afternoon?
I think so. What time?
About 2 o'clock.
And where?
The school gym, of course.
Okay, I accept your invitation.
Good. I'll see you then.
Substitution drills. 1. I just got out of class, and I was on my way to the library. I just got out of class, and I was heading to the library. I just got out of class, and I was going to the library. I just got out of class, and I was walking to the library. 2. There's a party at Matt's apartment. There's a get-together at Matt's apartment. There's a function at Matt's apartment. There's a meeting at Matt's apartment. 3. Come by my dorm room about 8. Come by my dorm room about 8 o'clock. Come by my dorm room about 8 p.m. Come by my dorm room about 8 in the evening. 4. I'm tired of studying. I'm tired of working. I'm tired of reading. I'm tired of reviewing. 5. Steve and I are going hiking this weekend. Steve and I are going walking this weekend. Steve and I are going sailing this weekend. Steve and I are going fishing this weekend. 6. Good. I'll give you a call tomorrow with specific details. Good. I'll give you a ring tomorrow with specific details. Good. I'll telephone you tomorrow with specific details. Good. I'll call you tomorrow with specific details. 7. Did you get this dinner invitation from the company? Did you get this letter from the company? Did you get this movie ticket from the company? Did you get this announcement from the company? 8. It looks like everyone in this office is going out to the new seafood restaurant. It looks like everyone in this office is going out to the new theater. It looks like everyone in this office is going out to the new sports stadium. It looks like everyone in this office is going out to the new art gallery. 9. Are you sure you want to turn down a company invitation? Are you sure you want to reject a company invitation? Are you sure you want to refuse a company invitation? Are you sure you want to decline a company invitation? 10. Do you have to get up early? Do you have to arise early? Do you have to wake up early? Do you have to get out of bed early? 11. Well, I was going to invite you in for some coffee. Well, I was going to ask you in for some coffee. Well, I was going to welcome you in for some coffee. Well, I was going to draw you in for some coffee. 12. Dinner was better than I expected. Dinner was better than I anticipated. Dinner was better than I hoped for. Dinner was better than I predicted. 13. I heard that you were a pretty good ping pong player. I heard that you were a pretty good tennis player. I heard that you were a pretty good baseball player. I heard that you were a pretty good basketball player. 14. It's going to be cold. It's going to be frigid. It's going to be cool. It's going to be chilly. 15. Are you free Saturday afternoon? Are you available Saturday afternoon? Are you around Saturday afternoon? Are you busy Saturday afternoon? Monologue. Hiking and camping are very popular pastimes in America, and they are becoming even more popular. This is made easier because there are numbers of state and national parks in every state in America. These are areas managed by either the state or national government for the enjoyment of the people. Some of the largest, such as Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon, are thousands of square kilometers. Normally, they have well-maintained hiking trails and campgrounds. Other outdoor activities are also increasingly popular. Many Americans enjoy hunting, although this is restricted or not allowed in most parks. Others enjoy paddling rafts or canoes, two kinds of small boats, on America's many rivers. Some Americans even enjoy rock climbing, climbing straight up rock cliffs using only their hands and feet. Lesson 13. Request